Stop suffering from dry, flaky skin this fall. Try these fall skin support essential oil recipes instead. Hey everyone! Welcome to our Natural Living Fall Skincare series. Today we're diving into fall natural living and how to transition your skincare routine as the weather changes. I'll be sharing my fall favorite essential oil blends and a fun DIY project you can try at home. Transform your skincare routine with our first recipe, honey and lavender soothing serum. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 2 drops of lavender oil, 2 drops of frankincense oil, and 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil together. Next, just apply it to your dry areas. Leave on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will thank you. And here's a little tip. Always do a patch test before applying new blends to larger skin areas. Next up, fun with DIY activities. Today we're making our own autumn body scrub. Get out your pumpkin pie ingredients because we're making a pumpkin spice body scrub. Combine 1 cup of brown sugar with a ½ cup coconut oil, 1 tablespoon pumpkin puree, 3 drops cinnamon oil, 2 drops ginger oil, and a pinch of nutmeg. Mix it all together, store in a mason jar, and use it 1 to 2 times a week for glowing, hydrated skin. You may be wondering why it is that we have more skin issues in the fall. It's because of the drop in humidity and exposure to colder air. This leads to more moisture loss. That's why we need to step up the hydration. This leads to our next question. Which essential oils are best for this season? You're going to want to consider oils like lavender, frankincense, and myrrh, which are perfect for their calming and restorative properties. But can essential oils really help our skin? Yes. Lavender and frankincense help calm redness and support skin healing. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more essential tips for better skin in the fall season.